Hey there, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know to run your first 5K step by step. Let's get started. First things first, set a goal. A 5K is 3.1 miles, and while it might sound daunting, remember, it's totally achievable. Whether you're aiming to finish or aiming for a specific time, having a goal will keep you motivated throughout your training. Now, let's talk gear. The most important piece of equipment you'll need is a good pair of running shoes. Make sure they fit properly and offer good support to prevent injuries. You can also get moisture-wicking clothes to stay comfortable during your runs. Training for a 5K takes time, so be patient with yourself. Here's a simple 8-week training plan that works for most beginners. Week 1-2. Start with a combination of walking and jogging. Aim for 20-30 minutes 3 times a week. Week 3-4. Gradually increase your jogging intervals. Run for 2 minutes, walk for 1 minute. Do this for 30 minutes. Week 5-6. Start running for 5 to 8 minutes at a time with short breaks. Week 7-8. Aim for continuous running. Slowly build up to running 20 to 30 minutes without stopping. Before you hit the pavement, always warm up. This can be as simple as a 5 to 10 minute brisk walk or light jog, followed by dynamic stretches like leg swings, lunges, or arm circles. Warming up helps prevent injury and gets your muscles ready to work. Here are some running tips for beginners. Start slow. Don't push yourself too hard at the beginning. Pace yourself, especially in the first few weeks. Focus on breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Try to keep your breathing steady. Stay consistent. Consistency is key, so stick to your training plan and stay active throughout the week. Don't forget to cool down after each run. Take 5 to 10 minutes to walk at a slow pace and bring your heart rate down. Follow up with some static stretches for your legs, like hamstring stretches and calf stretches. This will help your muscles recover and prevent tightness. Fueling your body is also important. Eat a balanced meal with carbs, protein, and fats before your run. After your run, make sure to hydrate and have a post-run snack to help with recovery. Race day is here. Make sure to arrive early to get settled and stretch. Don't go out too fast. Stick to your pace and don't get caught up in the excitement. Enjoy the experience and celebrate crossing the finish line. That's it. You're ready to crush your first 5K. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the journey. Good luck, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's ready to start running. See you next time.